Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you are an online banking customer, you can sign into online banking, and select Statements and Documents under the Accounts tab. Then go to the Request Statements tab and select Order a paper statement copy.
Take our lead.
You can see transaction accounts and deposit accounts in its Account Summary option. If you want to generate an account statement for a specific time period, then select the By Date option. Click on the calendar sign and select the start date and end date for which you want to see the statement.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
A bank statement is a list of all transactions for a bank account over a set period, usually monthly. The statement includes deposits, charges, withdrawals, as well as the beginning and ending balance for the period.
Take our lead.
Bank reconciliation statements ensure payments have been processed and cash collections have been deposited into the bank. The reconciliation statement helps identify differences between the bank balance and book balance, in order to process necessary adjustments or corrections.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You need to contact the bank and ask. Banks do keep records typically going back 7 years, though bank policies vary. 20 years back would be unusual. Statements are kept digitally or on microfilm or microfiche, with the latter forms taking longer to retrieve.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.